Good afternoon, everybody. It's a wonderful afternoon, and I'm heading over to Malibu. And I'm on the 101 freeway. Just wanted to show you guys lane splitting. It's very sketch. I don't like doing it, but I hate sitting in traffic more. So luckily this Triumph is pretty narrow. You always got to watch out for people that aren't aware of you, though. Certainly saves time. I certainly don't recommend you try it if you don't feel comfortable doing it, because it's pretty scary. But the faster I can get to cool roads, the less stress it'll be in the long run. Topanga Canyon South. This is where we're heading to meet up with Mulholland Highway. Don't know if you guys can see, I have an engine light on and traction control light on. This happened right when I bought the bike, and apparently I had them scan it and the gear indicator sensor, whoever that is bad. So it's on order. Hopefully they'll get it in soon, because that bothers me, especially having a new bike. That sucks. But everything seems to work okay. I don't know if the traction control does, but I can get it fixed as soon as possible. But it's not going to stop me from riding. We're on Topanga Canyon, and we're headed to Mulholland Highway. It'll meet up here in like a mile. My intent is to try to go to the rock store, but with all the mudslides, I'm not sure if I can make it all the way there. They might have some road closures. We'll find out. Is that Dwight Schrute? Looks like a chubbier Dwight Schrute. Curious how far I can get up into this canyon. Road work. Doesn't say close. Be prepared to stop. Fancy. Highway photos, here we go. All right, let's see if I can get those. The road is closed through traffic, but we'll see how far we can make it. Bridge closed. Oh, let's check that out. Yep, the bridge is out. Well, the bridge is out. So, really? God damn it. Well, the bridge is certainly out, so I'm gonna have to backtrack. Well, this is the perfect opportunity to put the swing arm mount on that I made. I will use the Gopro Hero 3. It's older, so I don't care about it as much. I know a lot of people voiced concerns about this hitting the ground, so I'm gonna try it parallel to the swing arm to start. Worth a try. It's really cranking it down though. alright. Let's turn this baby on. So I'm gonna backtrack, since I can't get over this bridge, and head out to the PCH and go to some cool roads. Quick stop for some Starbucks. Next stop, Neptune's Net. I think I'm gonna get some lunch over there. It's a great spot to stop for bikers and see what they have. Take the fun route, Decker Canyon. You see how jacked up this road is with mudslide and dust and dirt. This is my buddy's favorite road when we came to visit, and we rode the PCH. Get some, oh man, I forgot how tight some of these were. Whee! Well, this is a pleasant surprise. Decker isn't really that jacked up with the mudslides, which is good. There we go. Hooray! Thank you. Well, it's been a great day of riding today. I didn't have seafood at Neptune's Net. However, I got crab with a K at Witch Witch, sub shop around here. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. It was a fun ride today. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Later.